Hello and welcome back to TikTok Bytes, the series of videos where I show you all of the different features on TikTok and how to use them. They're all very short videos just to show you how to use the different features. Today we're going to be going through how to add music to your video, or more importantly how to add sounds, because it's not always music that you'll use in TikTok. So what you need to be doing is first grabbing your phone, going onto TikTok, and then we can start. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. The first way, and the way that I tend to use the most, is by starting a video, and as you can see that was a horrible angle. We've got this menu coming up here. So what we want to do is click the sounds thing right at the top, this little sounds menu. And this brings us to the sounds navigation basically, and as you can see you can scroll through all of this. You can see all the different music. New music is always a good thing to look at because these are the sounds that are probably going to go viral at some point, so it's good to get on them when you can. You've got different kind of genres of music and different categories that you can look through. So these playlists are all just categories of music that you can use in your videos. You also have the Discover. The For You tends to be older tunes. I find that a lot of the ones in the For You, they are viral at the moment, but they're quite old. So actually using them now, unless they really fit your video, they might do something for you, they might not. So, you know, kind of be a bit wary of those. You also have this Favorites tab. I use this Favorites tab more than anything, because as I'm scrolling through TikTok, I'll always favorite pieces of music that I like and I think, hey, I'm going to use that in a video later on. So I've got all these different sounds favorited. Let's say I might want to play that one, so I can listen to it by pressing the play button, and if I like it, then I click this red arrow here. And now that piece of music, or that sound, is going to be on my video. So what it's going to do is it's going to make anything I'm saying muted. So anything I say during this video is going to be muted. Any sounds that happen are going to be muted. All you're going to hear is that sound. So this is where it becomes more of a mime than anything else. You just do what you do and the sound's going to be on top of it. But what you would have noticed right at the top, and I'm going to do this again, is that this sound will only let you record up to 6 seconds. As you can see down here, it says it's only 6 seconds long. So if you wanted to do a longer video, you'd need to find a sound that is longer to match the video length. So it comes up here and it says shoot up to 6 seconds. So you just need to be wary of that when you're thinking about the videos. But if you're creating a video to a sound, then you're going to create it for the length of the sound anyway. It's not going to matter how long it is. But if you're trying to find a piece of music or a sound to fit a video idea that you've got, then you might have to be a little bit more picky around what you choose, because some of the sounds are only 6 seconds long. So what we do now is we film what we want to film, and it's going to automatically cut off at this maximum of 6 seconds. And that is how you add a sound to your video. I hope you've learned something today, and please subscribe to the channel to get more TikTok Bytes. Don't forget to like the video, and if there's anything you want me to cover, please put a comment below and I'll get around to making a video around that particular feature of TikTok or that particular growth strategy for TikTok. See you next time.